Oh my goodness, look at this!
It's even more beautiful in real life.
Introduction. Welcome back to King Bike. Today, we're taking a quick look at the legendary Kawasaki Ninja H2R, one of the most extreme performance motorcycles ever built. Performance. The Ninja H2R is powered by a supercharged 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, delivering incredible acceleration and breathtaking performance. Its supercharged technology gives it explosive power that makes this bike truly stand out. Design and technology. With its aggressive aerodynamic design, carbon fiber components, advanced electronics, and premium suspension and braking systems, the H2R is engineered for serious performance. Every detail reflects Kawasaki's focus on speed and precision. Final thoughts. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is more than just a motorcycle, it's a showcase of engineering and performance. If you love powerful superbikes, the H2R is definitely a machine worth knowing about. Subscribe to King Bike for more amazing motorcycle content.